With recruiting underway and one scrimmage under their belt, the LA Outlaws hit the field once again. This time for their first official practice. The workout consisted of running routes and conditioning, in efforts to get the team back in shape and bring them to their fullest potential. However, the Outlaws are a brand new team to the minor league scene. As a result, coaches are faced with not only improving the players' technique, but building the team from the ground up. Although today was one of the first practices involving recently signed players, the team is still looking to fill 50 positions on its roster. But some say they're not just looking for skill, they're also looking for leaders.
We need one guy to step up, and take control, whether it might be a receiver, might be a lineman, might even be our good old quarterback.
Whoever it might be, the team is just looking for someone to tackle the challenge. Until then, the Outlaws will continue holding practices that are open to prospective players. Those interested in playing for the Outlaws may partake in the workouts, which will act as their tryout for the team. Reporting for the Los Angeles Outlaw Network, I'm Amanda Smith.
Outlaws!